is Aurelita, Elsa, Regina, Arianto, and I'm majoring management. Today I want to discuss a topic about nonlinear equation. Okay, let's get into the topic.
Okay, this is it, the nonlinear equation. So now we're gonna discuss about, first is quadratic function, the second one is exponential function, and the third one is logarithm and natural logarithm function. Number 1, quadratic function. The basic form of quadratic function is y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, with a is not similar with 0. A graph of a quadratic function itself is an U-shaped curve called parabola. A parabola has one vertex on its curve. Vertex is the extreme point of a parabola, and vertex are made up from the minimum value and the maximum value. If the parabola opens up, the vertex is on the lowest point. But if the parabola opens down, the vertex is on the highest point. This is the example of a parabola. When it opens upward, the vertex is on the lowest point. But if it opens downward, the vertex is on the highest point. How to find the vertex? Here are some steps for you. First, get the equation in the form of y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, and then calculate with negative b over 2a and negative b squared minus 4ac over 4a to find the intersection of x coordinate. And the last one is add x1 and 2 equals to negative b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a to find the intersection of y coordinate. Here is the example. Find the vertex coordinate of the quadratic function and draw the graph. How to answer this? You need to find the vertex first with the formula I brought in here, and the result is 4 and negative 4. Step 2 is find the intersection point in y-axis coordinate, and we got the result is 0 and 12. Step 3 is to find the intersection point in x-axis coordinate, and the result is 2 and 0, and then 0 and 6. Here is the parabola curve of y equals to x squared minus 8x plus 12. As you can see, the parabola is opens upward, and then the vertex is on the lowest point. And now we'll jump into exponential function. Exponential function is a function with their independent variable is a power of numbers. It is a variable that stands alone and isn't changed by the other variables you are trying to measure. The exponential functions are also have the characteristic for itself. If the exponential function is y equals to b power x, where the b is greater than 0 and b is equals to 1, then b power x equals to 1 for x is also 0, and then b power x greater than 0 for all the x value. When x is increased, the b power of x value is also increased for b is greater than 1 and decrease for 0 less than b less than 1. And then the last one is b power of negative x is equals to 1 over b power of x. The last one is logarithm and natural logarithm function. The logarithm function has similarity with exponential function, but with the inverse forms. If the exponential function forms is y equals to b power of x, this will be inversed into x equals to b power of y. So the forms of the logarithm function is y equals to log base b of x. The example is, if there is 5 power of 2 equals to 25 as the exponential function, so the logarithm function is log base 5 of 25 equals to 2. The logarithm that uses the base number e is equals to 2.71828 is called a natural logarithm, and it's denoted by log base e or ln. The formula of natural logarithm function is y equals to log base b of x and equals to ln base b of x. For example, log base e of x is equals to ln base e of x and equals to ln of x. And then log base e of 2 is equals to ln e power of 2. That's all of my learning materials. Thank you for watching this and see you.